Welcome friends, today we talk about growing large and abundant corn in plastic containers without a garden. The secret to achieving this goal lies in using the right technology, proper soil, and effective care. So let's dive right in. First, let's talk about the technology. Instead of using traditional soil, we will use a high-quality potting mix specifically designed for growing plants in containers. This mix will have the right balance of nutrients and pH level to promote healthy growth. Next, let's discuss the importance of sunlight. Corn requires a significant amount of sunlight to grow well. Therefore, it is crucial to choose a location that receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight per day. If you cannot provide enough sunlight, consider using grow lights to supplement natural light. Now, let's move on to the soil. Instead of using traditional soil, you will need a high-quality potting mix containing compost or aged manure. These materials will provide your corn plant with essential nutrients and organic matter needed for healthy growth. When it comes to watering your corn, you need to be mindful of the fact that corn is a wetland plant. This means that it thrives in consistently moist soil. Water your corn plant thoroughly every 2 to 3 days during the growing period, reducing watering frequency as the plant enters the reproductive phase. Lastly, we cannot emphasize enough the importance of proper spacing. Corn plants require ample space to grow large and abundant. Make sure to leave at least 12 to 18 inches of space between each plant and at least 24 inches between rows. If you find this video useful, like this video and subscribe to our channel. To grow large and abundant corn in plastic containers without a garden, use a high-quality potting mix. Provide sufficient sunlight, use a well-draining soil, mix and water consistently. Follow these principles and you will be well on your way to enjoying fresh, delicious corn straight from your container.